Device. He has a dual op amp, an LM358. It's 32 volt maximum input. He's running it off 3 9-volt batteries for a maximum 27 volts. And then on the output side, he has a variable resistor or potentiometer to basically vary your output range. And he has a 820 ohm resistor to dampen the electrical current coming through, because it can be quite high if you max it all the way out without these two resistors in there. But I found that with the resistance of the water, you almost don't need it. So what I've done is I've eliminated most of this side of the circuit, and I directly connect my output from pin 7 to my output from pin 6 over here. And so this is how the new simplified schematic looks like. Basically we have our LM358. We just connect pin 5 over to pin 3. Pin 3 gets connected to pin 6 using a 150 kilo ohm resistor. So pin 6 is going to be our output line. Off of that we have a 100K and a 100K, one positive, one negative, connected directly in the middle. We have our pin 6 is connected directly to pin 1. Pin 1 is connected to pin 2 with a 2.4 mega ohm resistor. 2 is connected to ground via a ceramic 0.1 microfarad 104 capacitor. 8 is positive, 4 is negative, 7 is our output. Our 22 microfarad capacitor is only used for smoothing the voltage so that we have a true DC coming into the integrated circuit chip. So that's the version, and we are running between 20 and 22 volts. It comes in off one side of the op amp, goes in through my foot, comes out the other foot, goes all the way through my body, electrifies, and then goes out the other foot, and it oscillates back and forth at 4 cycles per second, or 3.9, half of the Schumann resonance. If I take the probe out of the water, you can see the voltage basically drops down to 0 because we have no more voltage connected to our probe. Once I put my hand on the probe, we immediately get 7 to 9 volts, 7, 8. It's fluctuating at such a low frequency, that's why the voltage is bouncing around. So we're getting 32 volts output, but at the 8 volts of this is already making it all the way to my hand. so my entire body is electrified with some current. If I put the probe in my mouth, you still see we get a maximum of 8 volts. So the whole, we have a total of about 8 volts, making it from one foot all the way to the other foot. The only downside of this system is the LM358 actually heats up because there's quite a lot of resistance in this circuit, and we are maxing out the voltage because we're pumping in exactly 32 volts at its maximum handling current. So that's my electric foot bath. Thank you.